In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get email tips for getting the most out of WordPress. Whether you're new to WordPress or looking to streamline your experience further, these steps will guide you through enabling email tips to optimize your WordPress journey. Let's begin by navigating to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to access your WordPress account. Now, if you're like many of us who prefer using a single sign-on service for convenience, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google credentials, making the process quick and seamless. Upon clicking this option, you'll be asked to choose your Google account from the list linked to your browser, or you may need to enter your Google credentials if it's not listed. Once you've selected your account, you'll be logged into WordPress. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the notification bell icon. This is your gateway to managing various notifications and tips that WordPress offers. Click on this icon to proceed. Now, to adjust your settings, you need to find the settings icon, which is usually a gear or wrench icon, also located in this section. Click on it to access your notification preferences. Once you've opened the settings, look for the section labeled Updates. Clicking on this section will allow you to customize the types of notifications you receive. This is an essential step if you want to ensure you're only getting relevant and useful tips that can help enhance your use of WordPress. As you scroll through the notification settings, you'll find a category named Suggestions. Here you will see checkboxes next to different types of notifications. You want to check the box for receiving suggestions or tips. This setting will ensure that you get timely advice and suggestions from WordPress directly into your email, helping you make the most out of the platform. Finally, to save these changes, locate the Save Settings button. It's typically towards the bottom of this settings page. Clicking on this button will confirm and save all the adjustments you've made, ensuring you receive the email tips essential for utilizing WordPress to its fullest. With these steps completed, you're all set to receive insightful tips and suggestions that will help you navigate WordPress more effectively. I hope these instructions were clear and beneficial. Feel free to revisit any step if you need a refresh, and enjoy exploring the full potential of WordPress with handy tips straight to your inbox.